हिंदी गिनती संख्या 1 से 100 तक। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100। तो ये था आपकी हिंदी की गिनतियां। अब आपका अगला सब्जेक्ट है मैथ। So turn the page and the topic is comparison. Big and small. Here you can see the big elephant. It is saying, I am big. Here you can see the small elephant. It is saying, I am small. Now, here you have to write down big and small. Please write big and small. So the first one is big flower. So you have to write B-I-G, big. So write down big. Next one is small flower. So you have to write down S-M-A-L-L, small. Write down S-M-A-L-L, small. Now turn the page and there is another comparison. It is about tall and short. First you can see that one is tall giraffe. I am tall. Next one, I am short. That dog is short. I am short. Now take the tall tree and cross the short one. So here you have to take the tall tree and cross the short one. So as you can see, first one is tall tree. Take that one. And this one is the short tree. So cross that one. Now next is comparison, top and bottom. Here the child is saying, I am on top. And the another one is saying, I am on bottom. As you can see, the top one and the bottom one. Now take the element which is on top. So you have to take the element which is on top. So you can see that there is blue kite and red kite. The blue one is on top, whereas the red one is on bottom. Okay. So tick in the blue one and cross the bottom one. Now another comparison is about on and under. The bird is saying, I am on the tree. Next, the dog is saying, I am under the tree. Now here you have to write the words on and under. The cup is on the table. So you have to write down O-N, on. O-N, on. Next one, the cat is under the table. So write down U-N-D-E-R, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Now next comparison is about more or less. Here you can see there are 2 giraffes and there are 4 dogs. So we can say that dogs are more, giraffes are less. Dogs are more, giraffes are less. Now look at the elements and write more or less. First of all, you have to count the elements. The number of carrots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carrots. Whereas the number of onions are 8. So that means carrots are less, onions are more. So write down less over there. L-E-S-S, less. Next one, onions are more. So write down more over there. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. Next one, first count the tomatoes. There are total 9 tomatoes, whereas there are total 6 cauliflowers. So that means tomatoes are more and cauliflowers are less. So write down M-O-R-E, more here. More. Then in the cauliflower one you have to write down less. L-E-S-S, less. Now next one is comparison, many and few. These are few balloons and many balloons. Here you can see that there are only 3 balloons. That means these are few balloons. Whereas you can see there are lots of balloons. So you want to say there are many balloons. Now you have to tick the group which has many boys. First of all, count the number of boys. In the first one, there are only 3 boys. Whereas in the another one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys. Okay. So that means 6 boys are the many one. That comes under the category of many. Whereas 3 boys come under the category of less one. Okay. Few one. Now take the many one. Now turn the page and the next topic is about numeration. Before, between, after. Before, you can see the rat over there. Between, cat, and then dog, that is after. Observe the following number line. Here you have to observe the following number line given over here. Before, between, after is written over there. Between is the number 5. 4 comes just before 5. 4 comes just before the number 5 as it lies to the left of number 5. Next one, 6 comes just after 5 as it lies to the right of number 5. Next, 5 is in between 4 and 6. Now the question is, fill the blank boxes. First one, what comes just before? So you have to write down what comes just before 9. That is number 8. So write down 8. Next one, what comes just before 14? That is 1, 3, 13. Write down 1, 3, 13. Next one, what comes just before 12? That is 1, 1, 11. Write down 1, 1, 11. Now the next is, what comes just after? What comes just after 7? That is number 8. So write down 8. Next one, what comes just after the number 16? That is 1, 7, 17. So write down 1, 7. Next one, what comes just after the number 18? That is 1, 9, 19. So write down 19. Now next is what comes between 3 and 5. That is number 4. Next one, what comes the number between 15 and 17? That is number 16. So write down 1, 6, 16. Now next one is what comes the number in between 12 and 14? That is 1, 3, 13. So write down 13. Now next topic is numeration. Greater than, the larger group is greater than the smaller group. Here you can see the larger group. There are total 15 flowers and in the next one there are only 10 flowers. That means the larger group is greater than the smaller group. That means the number 15 is greater than the number 10. The number of red flowers is more than the number of pink flowers. 15 is more than 10. We represent more than as this sign. Okay, this is also known as the crocodile mouth. Okay, so here you can clearly see that 15 is greater than, 15 is more than the 10. Count and write the number in red boxes. Fill the blank boxes with greater sign. Okay, So first of all, you have to count the figure and then you have to see like which number is greater. Then after that, you have to put the greater than sign. So in the first one, there are total how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. And the next figure, there are only 6 apples. Okay. So first of all, write down the number. Write down 8. And in the another box, you have to write down 6. Now, which number is greater? Is it 8 or 6? That is 8. So you have to put greater sign over there. So here 8 is greater than 6. Okay. Now the another figure, how many mangoes are there? There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes. And in the another one, there are only 2 mangoes. Okay. So first of all, write down 7. Then in the another box, you have to write down 2. Now which one is greater? Is it 7 or 2? That is 7. So put the greater sign over there. Now turn the page and the next topic is numeration less than. The smaller group is less than the bigger group. So here you can see there are total 9 pineapples and there are total 12 guavas. So here 9 is less than 12. The number of pineapples is less than the number of guavas. 9 is less than 12. We represent less than as the sign over there which is given. Okay. So that means 9 is less than the 12. Now count and write the numbers in red boxes. Fill in the blank boxes with the less than sign. First you have to count the number of balloons over here. There are total 5 balloons. So write down 5. Next you have to count the number of lotus. There are total 9 lotus. So write down 9. Now which one is less? Is it 5 or 9? That is 5. Now next one. There are total 6 number of cups. So write down 6. Next one. There are total how many balls? There are total 12 balls. So write down 1 to 12. Now which one is less? Is it 6 or 12? That is 6. Okay. So put the less than sign. Now turn the page and the next topic is numeration equal to. Groups that have same number of things are equal to each other. For example, you can see here the number of rabbits is equal to the number of tortoise. 6 is equal to 6. For this, you're going to use the sign equal to. Okay. Now, count the items of both boxes and write the number in the boxes. If they are same, write equal to in the circle. Okay. So first you have to count the number of birds over here. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds. So write down 9. Next, how many kites are there? There are total 9 kites. So write down 9. Now you have to put equal to sign here. Okay, in the given circle. Now in the another circle you have to put equal to sign also. Now turn the page and the next topic is numeration ordinal numbers. When numbers show position or place of a person or thing, they are called ordinal numbers. There are 4 children in the race with their positions. Write the position of each racer in the above race. First one is done for you. Vinod won the race. He came first. So, first you want to write like this 1 and then ST. First. Next one, Ravindra came second. Second, you want to write like this 2 and ND over there. Okay. So, write it down. Next one is Vivek came third. Third, you want to write like this. First, you have to write down the number 3 and then RD, that is third. Okay. Next one, Ashok was on the 4th position. So first you have to write down the number 4 and then TH. That is 4th. Now turn the page and the next topic is numeration concept of 0. Read and learn. There are 3 hens in the box. 1 hen goes out. Now there are 2 hens in the box. One more hen goes out. Now there is only one hen in the box. Last hen also goes out. Now there are 0 hens in the box. If there is nothing, it represents 0. We write 0 as the circle one, as the oval one. Okay. Now students, turn the page. Number 1. Count the butterflies and write their number in the box. So here you have to first count the butterfly and then you have to write down the number. Okay. In the first figure, there are total 3 butterflies. So write down number 3. In the next figure, there are total 2 butterflies. So write down number 2. In another figure, there is only 1 butterfly. So write down number 1. And in the last figure, you can see there is no butterfly. Okay. So you have to write down number 0. Now the another question is, Vivek's balloons keep bursting. Write in each box the number of balloons left in his hand. In the first figure, you can see there are 3 balloons in his hand. So write down number 3. In the next figure, you can see 2 balloons in his hand. So write down number 2. In the next figure, you can see only 1 balloon is there in his hand. So write down number 1. Whereas in the last one, you can see there is no balloon. So write down number 0. Now students, turn the page and the next is numeration, ones and tens. Place value helps us determine the position of numbers. We show numbers greater than 9 by using place value, which means that the value of a digit is determined by its place in the entire number. When we perform addition on greater number, we need to know about place value. Like for example, here you can see tens plus ones. Tens, in that tens one there is like 1 written, plus in the ones one the number is 6. So that means 10 plus 6 is what? That is 16. Okay, 1 6 16. Next one is 1 9 19. 9 comes in the place of ones and 1 comes in the place of tens. Next one is 2 9 29. 9 comes in the place of ones and 2 comes in the place of tens. Next one is 3 6 36. 6 comes in the place of ones and 3 comes in the place of tens. Now turn the page and let's do some exercise. Number 1. Write the place value of these numbers. First one is done for you. 2 6 26. Here 2 comes under the category, under the place value of tens, and 6 ones. Okay. 3 1 31. 3 in tens 1. 1 in ones. Next 7 9 79. 7 in tens. 9 in ones. Next one 9 3 93. 9 in tens. 3 in ones. Next one 4 7 47. 4 in tens and 7 in ones. Now fill-ups. 3 6 36 is given. So you have to write 3 in the tens one and 6 in the ones. Now you have to write down 7 in tens and 9 in ones. Now the another question. 9 4 94. 9 you have to write down in tens and 4 in ones. Next one 8 to 82. 8 you have to write down in tens and 2 in ones. Now turn the page and the next topic is addition. Adding with 0. 9 apples plus 0 apples equals to 9 apples. 9 plus 0 is 9. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Now here you have to count and write the number. There are total how many birds? There are total 4 birds. So you have to write down 4. There are no birds, so you have to write down 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So write down 4. Now next question is fill in the blanks. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. So write down 8. Next, dash plus 0 equals to 9. That is 9. So write down 9. Next, 19 plus dash equals to 19. So that means here you have to write down 0. So write down 0. Next one, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So write down 1. Now turn the page and the next topic is addition. Addition with number line. This is a number line. The number line helps us to add. If we want to add one number, then we jump one step at a time. If we want to add more than one number, then we take a jump as per the number of steps. Suppose we want to add 5 and 3. So first we take a jump from 0 to 5 and then we jump 3 more steps to reach number 8. Okay. So first you have to jump straight from 0 to 5. Then you have to take the 3 jump to the number 8, towards the number 8. Now next one is addition, word problems. First one, Ram has 3 books and Sumit has 1 book. How many books do they have in total? So you have to first write down the statement form. Number of books Ram has, that is 3. Number of books Sumit has, that is 1. Total number of books 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay. Now the next question, Johnny's hen has 3 children and Sony's hen has 4 children. How many children do they have together? First you have to write down the statement. Number of children of Johnny's hen is 3. Number of children of Sony's hen is 4. Total number of children is 3 plus 4. That means 7. So you have to write down 7 here. Now next question is Group A has 5 members and Group B has 3 members. How many total members do they have together? So first you have to write down number of members in Group A, that is 5, and number of members in Group B, that is 3. Now total number of members is 5 plus 3, that is number 8. So write down 8. Now turn the page and the next topic is subtraction. Subtraction with 0. Here you can see 5 balls minus 0 balls equals to 5 balls. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. When we subtract 0 to a number, we get the same number only. Okay. Now there is the exercise. Count and write the number. Here first you have to count the number of ships. There are total 9 ships. So write down number 9. Then in the another one you can see there is no ship. Okay. So you have to write down number 0. Then after subtracting 9 with 0 you get the 9 itself. Okay. So write down number 9. Now next question is subtract the following. 7 minus 0 equals to 7. So write down 7. Next one, dash minus 0 equals to 12. That is 12 only. 1 to 12 write down. 1 to 12. Next one. 11 minus dash equals to 11. That means 11 minus 0. So write down 0. Next one, 8 minus 0 equals to 8. So write down 8. Now students, turn the page and the next is subtraction. Subtraction with number line. Just as the number line helps us to add, it also helps us to take away. If we want to subtract more than one number, we take a jump backward as per the steps of the number. Suppose we want to subtract 2 from 6. First we take a forward jump from 0 to 6. Then we jump backward 2 steps to reach the number 4. Okay. Here you can see 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Now turn the page and the next topic is subtraction, word problems. First one, there were 6 children sitting in a row and 4 of them were boys. How many girls were there? First you have to write down total number of children, that is 6. Number of boys, 4. Number of girls equals to 6 minus 4. That means the answer is 2. Okay. Now next question, there were 4 eggs and 1 egg got damaged. How many eggs are left? So first you have to write down total number of eggs, that is 4. And the damaged egg, that is 1. Now number of egg left, that is 4 minus 1. That means the answer will be 3. So write down 3. Now the next question is there were 6 bananas, monkey ate 3 bananas. How many bananas are left? First you have to write down total number of bananas, that is 6. Number of bananas monkey ate, that is 3. And number of bananas left equals to 6 minus 3. That means the answer is 3 only. So write down 3. Now students, turn the page and the next topic is multiplication. Tables of 2 and 3. So we're going to read the first one, that is the 2 table. Okay, table of 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. You can read like this also. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Now another one is table of 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 7 times 3 is 21, 8 times 3 is 24, 9 times 3 is 27, 10 times 3 is 30. Now students, let's do some exercise. Match the following. 2 into 5 is 10. So match 2 into 5 with 10. Next one, 2 into 8 is 16. So match 2 into 8 with 16. Next one, 2 into 6 is 12. So match 2 into 6 with 12. Next one, 3 into 2 is 6. So match 3 into 2 with 6. Next one, 3 into 5 is 15. So match 3 into 5 with 15. Next one, 3 into 9 is 27. So match 3 into 9 with 27. Now students, turn the page and the next one is table of 4 and 5. So let's read the first one, that is the table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40. Now the another one is table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. Now let's do some exercise. Match the following. 4 into 5 is 20. So match 4 into 5 with 20. Next one, 4 into 9 is 36. So match 4 into 9 with 36. Next one, 4 into 6 is 24. So match 4 into 6 with 24. Next one, 5 into 2 is 10. So match 5 into 10. 5 into 2 with 10. Next one, 5 into 7 is 35. So match 5 into 7 with 35. Next one, 5 into 4 is 20. So match 5 into 4 with 20. Now the next one is multiplication, tables of 6 and 10. Tables from 6 to 10. Okay. Let's read the tables. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60. Now the next one is table of 7. 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 7 is 28, 5 times 7 is 35, 6 times 7 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 7 is 56, 9 times 7 is 63, 10 times 7 is 70. Next one is table of 8. 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 8 is 16, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 times 8 is 32, 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 8 is 48, 7 times 8 is 56, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 8 is 72, 10 times 8 is 80. Now another one is table of 9. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45, 6 times 9 is 54, 7 times 9 is 63, 8 times 9 is 72, 9 times 9 is 81, 10 times 9 is 90. Now the next one is table of 10. 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 10 is 40, 5 times 10 is 50, 6 times 10 is 60, 7 times 10 is 70, 8 times 10 is 80, 9 times 10 is 90, and 10 times 10 is 100. Now let's do the fill-ups. So the first one is 6 into 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So write down 4 to 42. Next one, 4 times 8 is 32. Write down 3 to 32. Next one, 3 times 6 is 18. Write down 1 8. Now next one, 5 times 7 is 35. Write down 3 5, 35. Next one, 2 times 7 is 14. Write down 1 4, 14. Next one, 7 times 8 is 56. Write down 5 6, 56. Next one, 6 times 8 is 48. So write down 4 8, 48. Next one, 8 times 4 is 32. Write down 3 to 32. Next one, 9 times 7 is 63. Write down 6 3 63. Next one, 8 times 3 is 24. Write down 2 4 24. Next one, 6 times 9 is 54. Write down 5 4 54. And the next one, 4 times 9 is 36. Write down 3 6 36. So this was our maths one. Now let's move into the GK one, general knowledge, fruits, and first topic is fruits and vegetables. Apple, grapes, watermelon, papaya, banana, mango, tomato, brinjal, peas, capsicum, potato, cabbage. Now turn the page and the next topic is my house. Here you can see the picture of house. First you can see the entrance gate. Next you can see the drawing room over there. Next kitchen. Next you can see the study room just below that drawing room. Next you can see my sister's bedroom and the bathroom over there. Next one, parents' bedroom. Now turn the page and the next topic is clothes. Skirt, shorts, shirt, sweater, coat, cap, pant, suit, gloves, sari, jacket, socks. Now students, turn the page and the next topic is about sea animals. First one is jellyfish, then turtle, crab, stingray, seahorse, octopus, clownfish, walrus, starfish, squid, penguin, shark. Now turn the page and the next topic is insects. Ant, termite, housefly, cockroach, scorpion, Junebug, grasshopper, butterfly, spider, tarantula, millipede, red mite. Now students, turn the page and the next topic is about computer parts. First one is DVD writer. Next, floppy. Next, monitor. Next, you can see over there CPU, central processing unit. Next one, mouse. Next, keyboard. Next one, printer, pen drive, UPS. Now students, turn the page and the next topic is about national symbols. First one you can see over there. In Hindi it is written Satyamev Jayate. This is lion capital of Ashok. Next one is lotus, our national flower. Next one is Tiranga, our national flag. Next one, peacock, our national bird. Next one, banyan tree, our national tree. Next one, tiger, our national animal. Next one, hockey, our national game. Next one, mango, our national fruit. I hope students that you enjoy this learning part, and your homework is you have to read, you have to practice each and every word, and also do the exercise of maths. Okay, till then students, take care. Bye bye.